Sure. We are too, Dad. Really? Yeah. Up to your room. Now. I gotta remember to thank them one day. So where's Jessie? I'm starving.
Look at your teeth.
She and Martin went off on a picnic around noon yesterday.
Really? Who would have thought? My nanny, your butler. So when you say I breakfast, that's on the game.
You can cook now?
Oh yeah, I can make pasta and pasta and
Pasta sounds good.
pasta it is.
Smile.
Hey, Dad.
Hey.
Wow, you look so nice. Where are you going?